Good news, Farmington High School. I got some technology kinks figured out. We tried uploading an app, so I should be flawless in my microphone, aka my headset, wireless headset working. So let me know if it's not. We'll get that fixed because that was too much. I'm messing around for something not to work. So these 4 word problems that we got left. Campus rentals rents 2 to 3 bedroom apartments for $700 and $900 per month. So I'm going to let X equal 2 bedroom apartments. 2 bedroom. I'm going to let Y then equal 3 bedroom. Okay, for $700 and $900 per month. So I'm going to guess that I'm going to have to add some of them together. Not 900x, 900y. So I'm putting the y with 900 because it says respectively, so that means it's in order. Make sure you know that. Last month they had 6 vacant apartments and reported 4,600 in lost rent. So how many? So they had $460, $4,600 in lost rent. So they had 6 vacant apartments. So the number of apartments doesn't matter, or what they are doesn't matter. It's just going to be X plus my Y apartments equals 6 for the 6 vacant ones. I'm going to guess right now. I'm going to move Y to the other side here. And I'm going to do X equals 6 minus Y. Alright, that's going to be my substitution. We're still doing notes on substitution, so I kept that substitution. So my X, I'm getting rid of my X, so I'm going to replace it. What do I have X equal to? I have 6 minus Y plus 900Y. Yeah, I'll show you why I chose that. When I distribute this, I get 4,200 minus 700Y plus 900Y equal to 4,600. Here's what works out. Minus 4,200. That goes to 0. Minus 4,200. So I was planning ahead a little bit. This minus 700, I can see plus 900 is going to be 200y. Equal to 400. Okay, divide by 200 on both sides. You can see that, right? Divide 200. Y is going to equal 2. Then I go over here and substitute that in. X equals 6 minus 2. Well, X is going to equal 4. So now word problem, word answer. Somewhere, I'm out of room, so I'm not going to do it. I can do things like that. But you guys got to make sure you know how to do this and write these sentences on your quiz. So how many 2 bedrooms were there? Well, 2 bedrooms is X. So I got 4 2-bedroom apartments and 2 3-bedroom apartments were vacant. Make sure you write a sentence like that down. The larger of 2 numbers is 8 more than 4 times the smaller. If the larger number is increased by 4 times the smaller, the result is 40. Okay. What I have for you is the larger of the 2 numbers is 8 more than 4 times the smaller. So if my X is my small one, what does that equal? Well, it's 4 times is 8 more. So 8 more plus 4 times the smaller. If the larger is increased by 4 times the smaller, the result is 40. That's what I got. So this one's pretty easy because I got y by itself right away. So I'll just substitute 4x plus 8 in. Plus 4x equals 40. Subtract 8. Subtract 8. 4x and 4x are on the same side, so I combine them to 8x equals 32. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. X equals 4. So then I come over here. Y equals 4 times 4 plus 8. Y equals 16 plus 8, which is equal to 24. So the larger of 2 numbers is 8 more than 4 times the smaller. Well, the smaller is 4, so I times that by 4. 16 plus 8 is 24. So that actually works out. So just say the small number is 4, the large number is 24. Here, I can even write it. Small number is 4. Larger number is 24. Obviously, you don't abbreviate, you write nice full sentences. The state fair is a popular field trip destination. Okay. This year at the senior class at Apple Valley and the senior class at ECU both plan field trips there. The senior class at Apple Valley rented and filled 8 vans and 8 buses with 240 students. So V is vans, B is buses. I swear buses was 2 S's. That doesn't look right. I don't know. Somebody look it up in a dictionary. Eastview rented and filled 4 vans and 1 bus with 54 students. I know what I want to use. Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. Find the number of students in each van. So, here's what I'm doing. I'm doing substitution. I notice this B is by itself here. So this goes to 0. So B for buses equals 54 minus 4B. Well then, good thing I got another equation. So I'm going to write that in red. I have 8 vans plus 8 times what I substitute in. 54 minus 4V equals 240. This is going to be a really big negative. So 8V plus 432 minus 32V. So I went through my note sheet and I realized that I did it by doing elimination. So I'm doing this math in my head instead. Alright, so 8V minus 32V. This is going to be minus 432 minus 432. This goes to 0. 8V minus 32 is negative 24V. That's going to equal 198. Negative 198. I can't do math. Calculator. What is... So this is me just taking your time up. I'm sorry about that. 8 times 54 is 432. Subtracted 240 is 192. That's why that's wrong. Okay, this is a 2 here. I'm just going to rewrite it. 24b equals negative 192. Divide by 24 equals 8. So, divide by negative 24. Divide by negative 24. So the number of vans equals 8. And then we'll do buses equals 54 minus 4. Vans is 8 now, so we'll do V. Buses equal 54 minus 32, which is equal to 22. Okay. So, I'm thinking 22 buses. That's not right. What am I thinking? No, here's what the deal is. So off to the side, I'm going to write 8 students are in each van, while 22 are in buses. It's a great sentence, Mr. Hoopert. Glad you guys can read my writing all the time. Brenda's school is selling tickets to a spring musical. On the first day of ticket sales, alright, here's what I got. That doesn't show up. How about this one? 3 senior citizen tickets. So I'm going to do 3x and 9 child tickets. So Y equals $75. The school took in 67 by selling 8 senior and 5 child tickets. What is the price? I don't find that there's any good way to do it except for this top one right here. Knowing a couple tricks in math, if you look at 75 here, did you know you can add those digits together? So 7 plus 5 is 12. You should know that that's divisible by 3. So I'm going to rewrite this one over here for you. 8x plus 5y equals 67. Okay. Reason for that is this is 67. I'm going to divide all this by 3. When I do that, I get x plus 3y equals 25. I'm going to subtract 3y from each side. And I now have x equals to 25 minus 3y. So let's use this. 8, what's my x? 25 plus 3y plus 5y equals 67. 8 times 25 is 200 minus 24y plus 5y equals 67 minus 200. That goes to 0 minus 200. So what I have now is negative 24 plus 5 is negative 19y equals 133. That's a negative 133. Hey, there's a fire drill tomorrow. By the time you guys, most of you watch this, it'll already have happened. I find that funny. Alright, negative 133 divided by 19 must be, I don't know, calculator here. I'm sorry guys, I should do this ahead of time. I did it wrong on my sheet again. 7. So y equals 7. Now I'd have x equals 25 minus 21. X equals 4. So what is the price of each one of the senior citizen tickets and one child ticket? So up here I can see I had 3x here, right here. So that 3x's is senior citizen tickets are $4. Child is 7. That seems kind of funny that the senior citizen ticket is more than the child ticket, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Alright, make sure you got complete sentences on this. Make sure you finish practice 4. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for being attentive. Let's see how well it works to close out of this. I'll just go like this. Quick time, stop.